Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun little unboxing for you guys. I also have Emma here, if you guys remember her from my last video, and if you can't remember her from that one, I will link it right here for you. She is a little bit older now. She is almost 6 months old. She's giving me all the kisses right now. She's such a little love. I love her so much. Are you a good girl? Yes, you are. You got a present in the mail today. So we are going to unbox our Cavology order. I'm super excited because if you guys were not aware, they have a new couple colors that they came out with that are super pretty. It's like aqua and like this blush peachy pink color that I love. So of course, you guys know me. I love aqua, so I definitely ordered more of that. But I did order one thing, and I think it was like the peach Bellini color. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm curious to see how she's gonna react to me opening a bag, because if you guys remember her last time, she was way wound up. You ready? You got a present in here. Yes, you do. This is a very impromptu video. Like, this bag just came today. Oh, it's so pretty already. I ripped right through the really pretty little Cavology paper that they have in there. What are you doing? I got something pretty in here for you. All right. This comes all the way from Canada. So if you guys are new to Cavology, I'm obsessed with their rope leashes. They are so pretty. Aw, this is so cute. And what I love is that the owner, who's also, by the way, another YouTuber, she always writes these super sweet little notes on here, so they're just very customized, and I love that she takes the time out of her day to write that for every order. So let's see, it says, "Dear Kate, thank you for your beautiful order. We hope you love it as much as we do. Love, mine." So, and they have Herky and Milton on the front there. So cute. All right, you ready to see what we got? You are? Hey, can you sit down? Can you sit? Good girl. Let's see what we got. All right, so I got this Scrunchie and mint plaid waist bag dispenser and peach Bellini, a waist bag dispenser and mint julep, adjustable harness in mint julep, and the rope leash in Fiji. The Fiji color is so pretty. What have we got in here? Let's see. She's gonna be my little helper today. She loves paper, like way more than she should. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I love this. I've been wanting something just like this. Look, you guys. I'll try and zoom in here. Isn't that so cute? I can't wait to put this on her leash. This is the front, so you can just pull the baggies right out the top. That is so cute. What have you got? Ooh, I got this scrunchie. I'm not sure if her ears are long enough yet. She's gonna hate this probably. I actually bought this for me. Hey, hold still. Namaste. Well, we kind of sort of nailed it. What do you think? Do you like it? No? Well, it's on one ear. It fell out of the other one. I tried to put barrettes in her hair the other day and it was a total no-go, but I got that one for me, so I'll show you guys that real quick. It is the mint plaid scrunchie, super cute. Has a very nylon feel to it, but it's really pretty and definitely matches all of the mint julep and Fiji colors. I love this. Here is the thing I was most excited about, is my Fiji rope leash. I got this in I think this one's a 6-footer. Maybe this is the 5-foot one. I know I have a 5-foot one. I think this is 6 feet. So she would have just a little bit more length when she goes walking with my husband. I'll go ahead and pull this off too, because I really like the hardware on these. My other one has rose gold hardware. And there she goes with the paper. I knew it was gonna happen. This one has straight up gold shiny hardware, which is really pretty with this color. So, and you also have this little Cavology charm. This color is so pretty. And I did want to mention I'm going to do a blog post. I might do a video, I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments what you think. But I'm gonna make a little blog post, give me that, of my little doggy corner that we are creating so that it's easier to go in and out of the house. Just and it's gonna be super cute. If you wanna see a video on how I decorate my doggy corner, let me know in the comments below. But this is super pretty. This color is gorgeous. Let me show you guys one more time. She is getting into this paper, you guys. Hold on. All right, Emma, do you wanna come back up? Come here. Good girl. I had to get that paper away from her. Okay, so she's so distracting, you guys. Oh, you know what this is, don't you? This is her new harness. It is in the really pretty mint julep color. Isn't that gorgeous? It matches the Fiji leash really, really well. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that back out so you guys can see the color differences. Because it is just a hair different. I think that the Fiji leash has a little bit more blue in it, whereas the mint julep has more green. So here you go. You guys can see the difference. Super pretty. I can't wait to put this on her. It looks like it's really adjustable. Here is the back. This is their new harnesses that they just made. They also have it in the peach Bellini color, which I will show you guys in just a minute because I really like it. And I was so tempted to get the rope leash that matched that, but ran out of money. It's so easy to run out of money when you're buying things for your dog. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. But this is really cute. I can't wait to see her wear this. And it looks like it's pretty adjustable, so she might be able to wear it right away. I kind of bought it for her to grow into, but she might fit into it. Are you still eating paper? What you got in there? What you got? So anyways, there is the harness, super cute. Okay. And here is the peach Bellini color. I love it. Peach is one of my favorite colors. It's a very light pinky peach. I love it. And here's the back. And they include bags in here for you guys. So there is your starter bags. You just pop it right in here, zip it up, and they come out through the top here. So it's perfect. I love it. I love everything. I'm super happy with this purchase. It does take a little while to get from Canada to the US. So if you order, just keep that in mind. But I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. And seeing Emma, because she is growing, you guys. She's actually taller than Cammie now, which is our cat. If you guys follow us on Instagram, I will also link her Instagram. I started her a page. You can find her at little.lady.emma, and I will link her stuff down below for you guys, but she is just the cutest. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. Thanks for watching.